Well, hello mga friends! Welcome po sa kusina ni Bibay. So, nandito po tayo para sa isang recipe na nagngangalang chicken salpicao. Then, here are the following ingredients. So for this recipe, tayo po ay gagamit ng 1 whole chicken na chopped. So sa una, tayo po ay gagawa ng marinade by adding garlic and 4 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Kung ano man ang tawag doon. Then we will add oyster sauce and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then by this time, babalutin po natin ang ating chicken with our marinated sauce. Then after po niyang mahalo, we will marinate this for 15 minutes. And then we will add our olive oil. I-mix lang po natin siyang mabuti para po kapit na kapit yung lasa ng ating mixture din natin sa chicken. Then we will gonna leave this to be marinated overnight. Then we will gonna separate yung chicken dun sa marinated sauce. Huwag po natin tatapon yung marinated sauce, gawa ng gagamitin po natin siya mamaya. Mami, saan mo ba gustong itutok yung camera at ba't hindi ka mapakali? Then, magpe-prepare po tayo ng panggisa by adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 2 tablespoon of butter. Then after melt yung ating butter, ilalagay na natin ang ating bawang. The next is it's time to add our mushroom. After pong magisa ng ating mushroom, tatanggalin po natin siya. Pero yung ating pinaggisahan is doon naman tayo magpiprito ng chicken. chicken, ibabalik natin siya uli. Ang kulit, no? Binalik uli yung chicken after ma-fry. So the reason with this is para yung lasa niya is nandun pa rin. So hindi natin remember that we used butter. So yung lasa ng butter is yung gagamitin natin pinaka-base. So masarap siya. Then we will add 1/4 cup of water as a sauce. Before I forgot, sinama natin dito yung marinated sauce. Then we will gonna simmer this for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, pwede na nating ihalo yung ating ginisang mushroom kanina. And then we can add konting dahon ng sibuyas. Then after this, we're almost done. So I would like to take this opportunity to greet some of our friends. Firstly is si Miss Jalia, si Miss Lilia Catalma, then si Miss Yanis Lalusing Bianson, si Discarding Inday, Myrna's Place, Team Clements, si Ronnie Taylor, or si Aling Pe, then si Eat Grams Kitchens Vlogs, and the O'Connors, si Miss Glyza Grogan, and then si Toothless, saka si Rocky, si Home Cook Dad, and si Mayores, si Charles Chen, saka sa Team LBR. Sino pa ba? May nalimutan pa ba tayo? Si Dionaris PH. Ayan po, pakisupport po ang channel nilang lahat. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyong lahat. And hope you like our recipe. Then please subscribe, share, and like. And as always, enjoy cooking.